In this series, I aim to give you a quick introduction to some of the plant families found in the UK. Learning to identify plant families is a great help in identifying individual plant species you come across. Plants are classified into families based on characteristics that they share, so the way to identify a plant's family is to know these characteristic features. Today we're going to look at the Crassulaceae, the stonecrop family. This is a family with species across much of the world, and they're especially diverse in parts of South Africa and Mexico. There are around 1,400 species, which are mostly perennial herbs and occasional shrubs that tend to grow in dry habitats. Human uses of these plants include medicinal, for instance Rhodiola rosea, Roseroot, and several species of Kalanchoe, ornamental, like Hylotelephium telephium and Hylotelephium spectabilis, ice plant cultivars, Sempervivum tectorum, Houseleek, and Echeveria species. And as part of green infrastructure, Sedum and Phedimus species are grown on green roofs, including Sedum rupestre, Reflexed Stonecrop, and Phedimus spurius, Caucasian Stonecrop, due to their ability to deal with dry conditions. In the UK, our wild Crassulaceae species are perennial herbs and include Sedum acre, biting stonecrop, Sedum album, white stonecrop, Umbilicus rupestris, navelwort, and Hylotelephium, or pine. Crassulaceae flowers are actinomorphic, regular in shape, and usually have 5 sepals and 5 petals, though Crassula have fewer and Sempervivum have more. The petals are usually free, separate, apart from in umbilicus, where they are fused. The flowers tend to be star-like in appearance. There are either 5 or 10 stamens per flower, and normally 5 carpels, which are either separate or joined only at the base. The ovary is superior, and the flowers are insect-pollinated. The carpels ripen into follicles, dry fruits that split along one side. The leaves of these species are simple, undivided, with entire or sometimes toothed margins. A distinctive feature of the leaves is that they are succulent, meaning they store water, which makes them fleshy, one of their adaptations to habitats that get low on water. The leaves are arranged either alternately or oppositely on the stems, and may form a basal rosette. So, if a plant has 5-petaled, star-like flowers, with 5 or 10 stamens, and 5 free carpels with superior ovaries, the fruit is a dry follicle, and the leaves are succulent, then it's likely to be in the Crassulaceae. See if you can identify any of these 3 species on your travels. Sedum acre, biting stonecrop, a low-growing plant with tiny, close-packed leaves and bright yellow flowers. Sedum anglicum, English stonecrop, very similar to Sedum acre but with white flowers. And Umbilicus rupestris, navelwort, with unusual round leaves and tube-shaped flowers.